thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 465, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, and Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Mercer, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Delaware, Philadelphia, and the following locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch are favorable for the development of severe weather, including winds in and close to the watch area. And possible warnings.